Hello everybody. Today we are going to talk about Feynman technology. It is a technology which is also known as the most simplicity and a simple way of explaining whatever we are learning. Myself Jyoti Jain is today going to make this video for you all children who find difficulty in learning or in expressing during examination time. Most of the children learn everything, but whenever they go to the examination hall or writing on the paper, they get confused. So this Feynman technology or Feynman technique is a technique which will solve this problem of all the students of any age group. Richard Feynman was a physicist who was a Nobel Prize winner in 1965. He was also known as the best explainer in this study time of his time, because he was a very good teacher also. This technology is not only good for students but also for teachers who can make in a simplified way for their students. So today I am going to explain this technology. It is a technology which helps the students to present themselves on the paper in the easiest form. This technology has 4 parts. First part is that whatever you learn or you are learning, write on a plain paper at the top with that what concept you are learning. For example, suppose we are learning a plus b whole square. Instead of rote learning or cramming the formula, we can explain the students or our fellow student how we have derived this. So if we learn a plus b whole square, rectification is that a square plus 2ab plus b square. Even we don't know how it has derived. But suppose if we know that a plus b multiplied by a plus b will give you what? So a into a square, a into b, ab, then b into b square, then again a into b is ab. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. If you will learn like this, you will never forget. So Feynman technology tells you how to learn it and how to explain it. Second point is that suppose you have learned this thing. So just imagine somebody in front of you like a small kid. Suppose you are in class 8th or 9th or 10th standard, and just imagine that somebody of a class 4th or 5th is sitting in front of you. So how you will explain it in a simplified form? If you understand how to explain it in a simplified form, always the concept will be in your mind forever. Simplified form, why I am saying, suppose you go for a movie and in that movie you hear a bhari bharkam dialogues. Will you able to understand? No, not at all. And if the movie is in a simplified language and it touches your heart and brain, definitely you will love it. So whatever you write on the paper, it should touch the heart and mind of the teacher. Suppose you are writing in the boards also, never use a very hard words, either in English or in Hindi. Sometimes children think if we will use very hard vocabulary, we will get good marks. No, it is not at all like that. The more you will make your concept or writing in a simplified way, the more understandable it will be and more marks it will help you to score. So second point is that whatever you learn, you are able to explain it in a very simple form. While explaining, suppose you find any area of difficulty, take out your notes, see the notes again, find the examples and other content which is written in the book and try to understand in a again simplified form. Third point is this, and the fourth point is that whatever you have understood while reading it again, now again try to explain it in a simplified form. So Feynman technology basically tells you that you should know how to make other person understand. Means जब आप पढ़ते हैं तो आपको पढ़ाना आना चाहिए. In short, sometimes children say कि मुझे समझ में तो आ गया है but मैं explain नहीं कर सकता. I can assure that child is unable to get full marks. Not only full marks, if the child is scoring full marks, means then too I can assure that somewhere the understanding is lacking. So if you want to crack higher competitions, national level competitions, use this technology and be assured that using this technology you will able to achieve the goal what you want to achieve. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have liked it, please share and subscribe my channel. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much, and thanks again for watching the video. Thank you.